Hi, I'm Karen with Stitch in Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. I'm here today to talk about Amish with a Twist 3 by Nancy Rink. And this Block of the Month will be pre-cut, and it also will be laser cut fusible applique all ready for you. The program will bill and ship on the 5th of every month. The program is 11 months long, and this will contain everything you need to complete this quilt, including the backing. I love the Amity block, the blues, the teals, the green. It's just gonna pop. This is gonna be one beautiful quilt when it's finished. If you need to update your billing or shipping information, please be sure to go to our website and click on Block of the Month. We also have a Facebook group. We have a very active Facebook group. Be sure to post your pictures, share any tips or tricks. If you get stuck, reach out. We will answer you, or one of your new friends from our Facebook group will answer you. Also, you can find all the fabric keys needed, and you can also subscribe to our newsletter. We want to thank you for being part of our Block of the Month. If you missed the signups for Amish with a Twist 3, be sure to go to Block of the Month and look at all the other options we have there for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.